everyone! Today I come back to you with a mini GT video, and I would like to show to you 5 very special mini GT models what I just received from future diecast bros. And I would jump immediately and starting with the first one, which is a Land Rover Defender. This particular model was in the Camel Trophy challenge, and it was the winner car in 1989. And what we need to know basically about this Camel challenge, that Camel was the main sponsor, and every year with the Defenders or with Land Rovers we went to crazy places. And for example, in 1989 they were racing in South America. This car went through a lot. And what mini GT also exposes is this tons of mud which is over on the body. So I found this painted mud effect really cool. These cars for the race or for this challenge, of course, they were pretty much modified, that they have to deal with these extreme conditions. So also they have special tires, these mud tires, as you can see, also in the front having this protection, and they are full of luggage on the top of the car, having this tiny oil cans, ropes, different boxes. So of course they have to bring like tons of things for this expedition basically. And I like that they really showing the realness of the car, that's dirty and went through in this crazy terrain, crazy conditions in South America. So I very like this model. It's very nice. I have here the next one with the Gulf print, so the Gulf paint body scheme over, as you can see, basically is the same Defender 110, so the Defender from 1983, without this crazy modifications for the special terrain. It doesn't have this protection on the front. I like also that the rims are orange. Also having equipment on the top of the car. Basically, as I can see, this is the same with the same cans, rope and different kind of boxes. So a very nice car. The next car is the Bentley Continental Gt3. And what is written on the box is that this is a presentation car. So it's not the car which was racing already. This car was presented, the original car, end of 2017, because it came out already 2018 on the racetrack. And it's important because here is the next car, which is basically the test car of this GT3. So it's a proper race car based on the Panamera platform and shared with Porsche. So ultimate race car with a V12 engine and super lightweight. So everything should be carbon or carbon painted as well in this mini GT models, which is very nice. My favorite design feature of the car, this massive cutout on the bonnet, this air intakes. On the original car also these are carbon parts, the very nice rockers and diffuser. Also the front element, you know, this front spoiler, it's also carbon. The model is very nice, very nicely detailed. Yes, mini GT quality again with the details, very cool. The Bentley is also painted how it should be on the rear spoiler. So it's very cool. And here is now the black one, which is basically the test car, which is also written on the box. It's not a huge difference between the two two cars. So the original car again is just a crazy lightweight sport car what Bentley developed together basically with M Sport. So they really planned it as a crazy race car. And it's really a nice video on YouTube what I found from the original car, how it was tested in Monza, and it's also this black paint is over the body, but I like very much this matte black here at Mini GT's model. It's very cool. All right, the last car is a Nissan Skyline Gtr. It's written as well that it was champion winner in a Japanese touring car championship in 1993. And the racing driver of the car was Masahiro Kageyama. I hope I'm pronouncing correctly his name. And you see the car having this very cool race paint with different sponsors like BP and Zippo. Also the race number is there, which is 11. So the bottom of the car is more detailed, like for example the Bentley, which is just totally flat. Here Mini GT was doing a little bit more job showing what's going on underneath, also exposing this side exhaust, which is a very cool detail in my opinion. And yeah, mirrors, rubber and nice details also here on the rear of the car. You can see this was already optimized as a race car, so these tiny modifications are all over there, and really cool effect as well with the sponsor stamp, this Trampio on the front air intake, and also the wheels are really cool. These golden racing wheels, these lightweight wheels. It's also shimmery gold. Again, as always, I'm really amazed by this very detailed quality of Mini GTs, with the rubber tires, with the rubber mirrors, with the paint, with this very nice body schemes, and every single little tiny logo is there what it has to be there. Really nice. Again, I'm very happy that I could show to you these models today. And if you haven't subscribed for my channels yet, please do it and follow me on Instagram on the GirlsLoveCars. And I'm going to come back very soon to you with the next video. Bye!